Hello viewers, welcome to back our channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope you all is fine. May Allah Almighty keep you happy and keep you homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy my videos like this. I'm also friend. Today will share I with you the very beautiful amazing crochet crop top designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first and also make sure to follow, press the bell icon. See you very beautiful and amazing design show to you people in all 8 designs that I am sharing with you today. All designs brought to you channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about such designs. You can get my ideas from my videos. So friends, this video is very helpful and useful. Keep for guys, so I keep your slimmers designs with my dear friends daily, inshallah. Be sure to like this in the comment box. How can you like our videos? You want to watch my any videos related to, visit my channel Crochet Lovers, and if you guys want to, you can take a screenshot from my videos and show to it to Elsie, and you can make a similar designs. Is very popular in the country and girls love such clothes too. So friends, today video is amazing. Every video is a lovely design for you guys. Don't miss any of the video on my channel. So friends, today in this video I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you in all kind of fashion related designs. Let's go, inshallah. We will meet again and in our next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I am very grateful to the people who have subscribed to my channel. Stay with me, take care, will remember in prayer, and bye.